how do we install SAM4? There are two main approaches here. One is by using internal resources, so an in-house electrician team, and the second is using an external installation team. The biggest pro of using an in-house team is, of course, the ease of access, as well as getting the people on board with adopting a new technology, as your team will gain some first exposure to SAM4 already. At the same time, we know that using an in-house team might be a bit more difficult when it comes to workload management, as these teams tend to be quite stretched. An external installation team brings usually quite a lot of experience, especially if they have worked with SAM4 before, and they can make sure that we can optimize the process more efficiently, as it frees up time from potentially highly loaded internal electricians. No matter the approach you decide to go with, Samotics will be there to support the installation teams every step of the way, and we can make this experience as smooth as possible.